guys, hope you're all well. And today I've got a nice healthy recipe for you. It's chicken stir fry. A beautiful recipe is many ways of making stir fry, and I'll show you one of the easiest ways. Stick around guys and I'll get straight into it. Okay guys, for this recipe I'm going to need half a teaspoon of black pepper powder, that is. Bismillah. Half a teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm using a half a kg of a chicken breast, by the way, cut into cubes, small cubes like that. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice and 1 teaspoon of ground ginger. And give this a mix guys until it's all nicely mixed in. Okay guys, once you mixed it all in, just leave it to the side and let it marinate for about 30 minutes at least. Okay guys, I'm just going to get the sauce ready that goes into the stir fry. So for that I'm going to need half a cup of water, but this is boiling water. Okay, then I'm going to add 1 chicken cube in the boiling water. 3 tablespoons of dark soy sauce. And 1 teaspoon of Worcester sauce. Okay guys, just give it a mix. Once the chicken cube dissolves, that's it, then put that to the side. And this will go in at the end. Okay guys, the chicken's been marinating for well over 30 minutes now. So I'm going to start cooking it. So I'm going to need a bit of cooking oil, about 4 or 5 tablespoons. Bismillah. And I'm going to add the chicken into it. It'll start changing colour straight away. Chicken cooks quite quick. So this will take about 15 minutes to cook. Just keep on stirring in between. Okay guys, this chicken's been cooking for about 15 minutes now. And it's virtually ready, cooked I mean. Okay, now I'm going to add 300 grams of vegetable stir fry. This is already mixed, pre-pasta mixed. Carrots, onions, cabbage, and a bit of pepper in there. Give it a good mix. And let this cook away until it's virtually ready. Okay guys, it's been about 3-4 minutes since I put the veggies, so they're nearly done as well now. And I'm going to add some baby sweet corn in now. I boiled these and got them ready, so they're done nice and tender. Just stick them in. Give it a bit of a mix. Like I said, the sweet corn's already done. Okay guys, once I've added the sweet corn in, I'm going to add the noodles in. You can have any noodles you like, egg noodles. I've gone with the high protein noodles. Noodles with high protein in them. Give that a mix in now. Just give it a good mix guys. Once you got everything mixed in, then add that sauce in that we prepared at the start. Okay, that's the sauce I got ready at the start, so I'm going to stick that in now. Once you put the sauce in, just give it a good mix then, so the sauce is everything gets covered in the sauce. And just cook it on a medium heat till the sauce is virtually evaporated. Okay guys, it's been about 6-7 minutes. I put the noodles in and the sauce in, and that's ready now. So I'm going to take it out and I'll show you. Beautiful. You can add more chicken if you want, or less chicken. It's up to yourselves. Different types of veg. Quite easy to do guys. A beautiful stir fry it is. Tastes absolutely awesome. Please do have a go guys. Please do like, subscribe and share to my channel, and thanks for watching. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum.